So it's what is today? 17th, I think, of January 2021. And there's the moon. There's a plane over there. There's another plane over there. Actually, there's two planes over there. You probably can't see the lights blinking. There's one there that I'm pointing at. There's two over there. And hey, there's Gemini right there. You probably can't really see it. The reason I've brought you out here tonight, is the International Space Station should be showing up in the next minute or so. I wanted to share it. If it's visible in camera, it might not be visible in camera. I mean, there's that glaring light right there. But if it is visible in camera, then good for me. I think that's Mars over there. That looks like it's Mars. It's got a reddish tint, probably Mars. There's a star there. I don't know what exactly it is. I'd have to look it up. But Gemini's easy to spot. There's something flashing over there. Yeah, that's some kind of plane or helicopter or something, the way it's moving. You probably can barely tell that I'm moving around. Hey, look, there's my car over there. I was about to leave, go get pizza, and then I realized, oh, hey, International Space Station tonight. And it's only going to be like a minute or two. So, it should show up in just a second. Unless that's it right there, but... Actually, wait, that is it. Because that is moving. That's not Mars. That's the International Space Station. I don't know if you can really see it. Actually, you probably can. It's that dot in the center of the frame. Yep, that's the International Space Station. That is moving way too fast to be anything else, and it is not blinking like a plane or anything. But there she be. ISS. She should go overhead soon. Bad thing about this is it's so dark, and so you can't have any kind of point of reference to what I'm pointing at or anything. You just see that dot. But yeah, I can see the dot on the viewfinder, so you should see it too. Because yeah, this is definitely going on YouTube, so I can share it with my friends. Almost vertical now. Sorry for the jittery camera. I wasn't actually planning on doing this until I realized, oh wait, International Space Station tonight. I was about to actually go get a pizza. I already ordered it. Gonna be cheeseburger from Domino's. $10 for a 16-inch. Don't ask me to do the conversion to centimeters right now. My car door closed. Oh, she's getting brighter. She's getting brighter. We're at 4 minutes on this recording, and she should be disappearing in just a few moments, because you're only supposed to be visible for 2 minutes tonight. Yeah. That is moving along. Wonder where it's actually going to disappear. It's funny that I thought it was Mars at first. It's kind of red. It probably is Mars. No, dummy. Not everything that's red is Mars. Oh, she's fading out. She's fading out. She is fading out. You probably can't see her anymore, but I can still see her. I still see the International Space Station. she is getting dim. So dim. And looks like she's gone. Yeah, she's gone. Well, there's Gemini again. There's my old car. I don't know if you can really see my old car. I really need to get it cleaned out. There's my new car. I need to get it titled in my name. It's still titled under my mom's name. She kind of gave it to me. But, yeah. International Space Station tonight. I saw it. You guys should have seen it. Probably not as magical for you guys, though, because, yeah, that was... you had no point of reference to really see it moving. You just had me telling you it was moving, and I was holding it in frame. But... unlock car. I need to get that light replaced. There's a light on my headlights that's blown out. Ooh, hiccups. Oh, hopefully the framing on this isn't too horrible. But thank you for watching. If you've watched this long, hope you have a good one. Okay, no, I didn't leave my lights on last time I got it out of the car. Yeah. Have a good one. Bye.